Asani, what you doing? What's the matter? What's the matter? Hmm? Huh? Don't push it off of you. Don't push it off of you. Stop. What's the problem? Hmm?
What's with sunflowers and leaves? Little flowers.
Touch a photo to look at. Are you sure you want to exit? No. Flick left or right to look at the previous or next photo. Blow into the microphone to see the special effects. Flick left or right to touch the tag icon to add or edit a tag. Touch the tag icon.
Asani, what are you doing to the bird, to Mr. Bird?
Flick. How to play.
What are you doing to Mr. Bird? Do not throw him on the floor. You're only 4 months.
Press enter when you're finished. Drag the tag to move it. Touch the trash can to delete a tag. Touch the cross next to a tag to delete it. To go back,
What you trying to do to Mr. Bird?
use the keyboard to type in a tag. Press enter when you're Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Touch an icon to download.
Don't pull his tags off.
Touch an icon to text.
Sonny. No. Asani. Why did you throw Mr. Bird on the floor? Hmm? Why did you throw Mr. Bird on the floor? That's not nice. That's not nice for a 4-month-old. That's not nice, Sonny. No, you can't get my phone. You're not going to throw my phone on the floor.